going to Marina Bay Cruise Center. Here, there, you can see it, Marina Bay Cruise Center, Singapore. Wow. Please proceed to guest check-in. Hello. Yan, tapos na kaming mag-check-in for the cruise and pupunta na tayo sa immigration. Yan. So, usual pa din. Parang papasok ka sa isang bansa or lalabas ka sa isang bansa, dadan ka ng immigration. Morning! Yan na. Ship voyage. Parang sasakay ka lang ng ng airplane. San Francisco Street. Okay, we go to our starboard staterooms 9-1. Okay, 9159, our room. Okay, welcome. This is a CR. Ibabante mirror. And this is the shower room. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Shower room. Kagandahan dito sa Disney Cruise, ang kanila pong water dito sa gripo is drinkable or potable. So, pwede kayo dito na lang kumuha at huwag na magbaon ng inyo pong bottled water. Naming effort na mga rooms. Kada rooms dito, pag merong bata, didesign nila. Yan, walang design yan. Matanda na dyan. Ito, ayan o. Naka-design. O, matanda to. Walang design. Ay, may bata to, may design. Yan. Kanya-kanyang design yan. Pwede kang maglagay ng items. Pwede kang kumuha ng items. Yan. Effort yan. May judging po niyan tayo. Criteria for judging. Ito, ang ganda nito. Oh. Meron silang health center dito sa loob ng ship. Yan. Open siya ng 7 to 9:30 a.m. Tapos 2 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Ito. May dental clinic pa yata dito. Galing. Ganda ng ng weather. Sabi, maulan. Pero ganda ng weather. Welcome show.
Elevator spot. So hard. Yo, we need to slide. Mario Bros.
Ayan yung roller coaster, guys. Na-try natin yan, syempre. Pero yun nga lang, kailangan muna nating pa-reserve ng slot. Ito pa yung other rides. Parang mga train tracks ba to? Yun no? Yung sumasakay na sa kabila. Kita niyo yan? Oo. Ayan, free pizza. Flavor, 4 cheese and pepperoni. Okay, thank you.
Although you may hear other alarms during an emergency, you would only have to respond to the general alarm. It is critical that every member of your party
Animator's table.
Pwede po kayo mag-start mag-box.
So, magdo-drawing tayo dito sa animator's table. Do-drawing natin to. Ayan, meron pa ba tayong mag-drawing? Check natin, guys. Dito. Tapos, after natin mag-draw dito, lilitaw siya dito sa screen. Yan. Ipapalabas daw sa screen na yan yung din-drawing natin.
Sir Salad.
Thank you.
Thank you. Describe the menu. Okay. Desserts.
Hi, folks! My gosh! Thanks for all of the great drawings! These are just what I need to whip up a little animation magic! I'll be back later, but right now, we invite you to sit back and relax as the dining room proudly presents
Your dinner. Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test.
This is salmon.
I'm with Sean.
Libre mo, patsa yun.
It's like, it doesn't have flavor. It's iron brew flavor. People compare it to foam banana sweets or candy floss or bubble gum. But to me, it's none of those flavors. It's just iron brew. And we used to, and I had a Coca-Cola not that long ago, and now